and whatever vehicle, private jet, aeroplane, helicopter, you name it. Ni mati pinakamay to all the students that are tuning in this morning. Sabo lilay, abangango, we have a few more weeks left. 3 or 4 weeks left before term 2 ends. And we hope that you are enjoying whatever whatever you are learning from school, from the teachers that are on their way to school this morning.
Yes, we say good morning to the driver of the KD148 via Ben. And also to the DC's bus.
Right.
Joining this morning, we say good morning to you, the driver. Joining Fleet FM this morning. And not forgetting Benji Masara, Meli Turangadati, Sabenada Nariba, Sione Maxialia Pa, Mbulabenaka to you and the family.
Yan Rabanaka Verona Biotina, Philip K. Sani, Kinoya, only to give a little and Matakaniko Lomani IN854. And the K. Daphne, only to go Cornibulina CC FNU.
Tamay to see me. Mbulabenaka Tamay to see me this from the Texas young boy Shaste, Mbulabenaka. Amidangay achi. Lolo malibu.
Ano binaka to all the friends tuning from overseas ano matang binaka di kuar do biner bagi taka tu na nontang ono boru taki. Ano bukri broken English and ouch palang show. Okay.
Right.
Today.
Yes.
Will take us to the jungle.
Who is in the jungle?
But most of us tuning this morning haven't been to a forest or a jungle before.
Okay.
So then Messi, there's don't a vine. There's a vine. Daratiko na walay.
Iya.
Tukuro mandabikan, talotak mandabikan then
uses.
Iyo na bika membalata na walay.
Right.
If you see a walay, it's a family of the Viliawa. The Viliawa is a broad in leaves. When there you see a Viliawa, you see a fertile soil.
Okay.
Because the Viliawa, the leaves itself, napuno itumbutukin na Viliawa, konaka. Nawandamu. The wandamu, when you see, first of all, the leaves itself, that is a herbal medicine.
Yeah, right?
Oh, okay.
Sayang ang nalako na lumani jungle.
There is a herbal medicine. If you got a boil, kaya baka singa tunindo na matana, you just take that one.
Yes.
Ikaw may raranga,
heat it, yes.
You heat it.
Yeah.
You oil it.
Right.
And you put it on that kaka. Italia sar kaya baka singa na matana si tukunya matetani.
Right.
He himself will kiwa. Will kiwa.
Right.
And baka mbuta may tumana matana.
Right.
He will find an eye of that boil.
Right. Will bring out the eye.
Yeah, bring and will kiwa it.
Right.
That's how strong this one is a wandamu. Kona sobune daki.
Okay.
Okay, we go.
Right.
Into a fertile soil. I said where there is a wandamu.
Right. Fertile soil.
There is a fertile soil because there is a process in agriculture, we call it mulching.
Right.
Mulching, when you cover a ground where you already plow with the leaves or grass to maintain moisture in the soil to help the plants grow nicely and well-being.
Okay, right.
So they kept that kind because the leaves is broad. They moist the soil.
Right. They protect the soil.
They protect the soil and they moist the soil to help them grow nicely where the plant will come.
LM662 Karo TJ.
Okay, the wandamu, the small size, you use it for roping. If you don't have vow, you don't have raffia, this in the forest, we don't use raffia. If you don't have vow, you don't, some people they use ngatika. Ngachima. Some people they call it ngachima.
Yes,
we call it ngatika.
Right.
So when you don't have the ngatika,
why you change the word, man?
You don't have the ngatika, use the vow. If you don't use the vow,
right,
you can use the walay. Ngasita metika telur. You use it the smaller one. So if you are in the forest, you are gone. O saya little manibekau, you are thirsty.
Right.
You want to drink water. The bigger the size of the walay, ikor ni umusuka ya.
Right ngo.
Ni umusuka na tolo ni walay. Ikor ni pangatake amungunu ba. You can use it for water. It's like the normal water, the H2O. And that's what it will testify your thirsty.
Right.
Totoka, man.
That's a good about walay.
What enough. Okay. What about Chivoli?
Chiboli, don't believe that my lovoni, don't believe that my obalau, don't believe that I will make a matani kuwa.
The
Tiboli, we have see just my brother from Moinaloka just came Tamengulirab.
Iya, Andra.
Just came last few days ago.
Iya.
He bring the Tivoli. Ask him, where does the Tivoli come from?
Iya.
In Ovalau.
Yeah.
You just go to the bush. Tivoli all over.
Yeah.
And it's not like the normal Tivoli. Mosangarabango me nren buta. This
Yeah.
one, two, you see, you know.
Easy to
Oi.
cook.
Easy to cook.
Iya.
Ready to made.
Wow.
Why? I told
Ready-made.
you. Yeah, the Tivoli. The Tivoli, when you...
How many types of Tivoli are there?
There are so many type of Tivoli.
Okay.
You have the Chinese Tivoli.
Right.
Yeah. Iyo na Tivoli China.
What else? What else?
Really? Okay. One characteristic about the Tivoli is the hairy Tivoli.
Yeah.
Why is that, Demesi?
See, some Tivoli, they have
Depends on what kind of Tivoli.
what kind of
Right.
Tivoli. Some
Yeah.
Tivoli, they are very big Tivoli.
Right.
Yeah.
Some, they are very small size and Gaimbalabwe.
Right.
Depending on what breed they are.
Right.
Yeah.
So, in the bush, when we go to the bush, the longer the Tivoli,
Yeah.
when you plow the Tivoli, you leave the head on the soil. That head will continue in the years to come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Regrow again.
Will grow again.
Yeah.
Don't take all. Leave them some. So, then the following years you will come, you'll see the Tivoli will mature again.
It's like you only plant it once, eh?
Plant it once.
Right.
That's why we need to plant the kind of crops that will help us plant once and harvest every year.
Right. True. True.
You don't waste your time. You don't tire
Right.
yourself.
Yes.
Kila oleh bakawal taken, right?
Yeah.
Plant like this. Banana. You plant one day, 1 year.
Yeah.
You harvest every year.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
You see the cassava, you just plant cassava.
Yeah.
After that, next year, you don't have any other cassava coming from that same plant.
Yeah.
If you see wundi, you plant wundi, you continue. You see boy, you
Yeah.
plant once. You
Right.
continue with our motivation.
How long can a person, like a man like you, can live lonely in,
Jungle.
live alone in the jungle?
We can live alone. Raw-raw na 2 taon tua. Isarap lolo mga naman.
Why?
Because sometime you'll find them.
Yeah.
Mulai hanta. You na sinin da pamurta kay gutu.
Okay.
You'll go alone in the pond.
Okay.
You wanalipan na ira.
Right.
You.
But you can talk to yourself. Or talk to a tree.
Yes, you can talk, but no one will respond.
You echo. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, what are some of the don'ts while going to the jungle?
What is done?
Don't.
Kunin na cover.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do in the jungle.
Iyo.
Don't do in the jungle. Don't ask. Kunin daw taro.
Oi.
Iyo. Because when you taro, it's like a believe, eh?
Yeah.
Niko taro ko ni sesi. You will be lost in the forest.
Right. Right. Yeah, a lot of myths, legends about it.
Yeah, legend about
Right.
it. Don't
About
ask
the
question.
belly.
Wait for the belly.
Iyo.
We don't ask.
Yeah.
And another thing, if you are going to a place you ikubulang ikina,
Yeah.
don't talk on your own dialect.
Yes.
You talk on their dialect.
Yes.
Even though you can lost to in the
Right.
in the
That's
jungle.
what. Yes.
It's a belief, eh?
Yeah.
And also, don't eat anything that does not belong to you in the forest. Mo tungaw kana tu Italia. Eh, you know?
Eat yourself.
Eat yourself, man! Lu tu na.
Ato ganito naman eh. Ato reto ba belly? O sa amno bing-bing.
Eat yourself, man! Laga na tukuna.
Apa boleh sangat diberikan?
Ato ganito naman nando santom-tom yung amo gitu.
Yan bilang kita Edwina, cowok di kota kegiatan menakan. Don't plan at night.
Yeah, don't. Yeah. Don't plan at night.
Before going, eh?
Yeah, don't plan at night. Otherwise, before that person will come, you plan together. Someone is coming first.
Iya.
Oh, yes, true.
Ya usar nga eh. Ya usar nga.
Kau bakal
Males.
mes? Wih, neraka na pamuta ba ya?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's some code too, eh?
Mekrometa.
Like if you go with
No,
a group, eh?
that's what happened to us.
Yeah.
We went to catch crab in London, di Koro.
Iya.
And then we went to the kita ngali bi tir-tir ya.
Iya.
Kita salewele tu kana gai kita sini kala tu kana lawan. Tamu di kopo sa nomu.
Iya.
Di kopo sa ba London ni se kala.
Iya.
Nabi ka di na plan sa kaya ni. Kita sini kala ni sali bola kita di puto.
Iya.
Kita sawele tu lama.
Iya.
Bisa na udah kita kay panggaray.
Ya. Waduh bangga takut sedua swasta.
Kita
Dong kalau lebu kan dong kali para realisme kalau supaya.
Kita lawele.
Ya sana kabe ando pangbuta mena kore.
Iya.
Tu terang ada kena teknik nih bahasa sah.
Right.
Nada mo takapa, nada mo muria, que vamos a hacer, nada mo takapa.
Santo sama tando.
Tu la kena
Daw
teknik.
lalakete, tando lalakete kemi do kandian na subuni niwe.
Iya.
Kona idake, on reta pakana para. Kona kana kaidake.
Iya.
Kon reta ento molum, ko kania. Lako mai, lako kanan rokana ura. Ya wai. Tangkalin pula wai.
Oke, bikin menos kata ada italon ni nonta durmu tu nabi kaulo. Mata kadang kita man itali cukup na italon me baleta na vikaso. Erambula bula politik enta. Right, marotaka share, heart bata kena like. Go kurumundo.
El Money.
Engonde Messi.